Imagine walking into a workspace where every corner, every surface, whispers purity and efficiency. It's more than clean. It's a transformation of your environment into a beacon of health and productivity. Ready to journey beyond conventional cleaning with our bespoke industrial cleaning services across the northeast of England? Let's start a revolution in cleanliness together. Discover the hidden potential of your facility with our high-level cleaning. We delve into those out-of-sight areas, vents, beams, fans, cables, clearing away dust and debris that's out of reach but never out of mind. Elevate your workspace to a safer, healthier standard. It's not just about cleaning, it's about caring for your environment. Our floor scrubbing solutions bring a new life to your floors, making every step in your facility a testament to the highest standards of cleanliness. With both ride-on and push-along options, no corner is left untouched, no spot overlooked. This is where safety meets beauty, in the foundation of your space. Embark on a journey of transformation with our deep cleaning services. From floors to ceilings, washing stations to windows, we're not just cleaning, we're rejuvenating your environment. Picture a facility that doesn't just look impeccable, but feels vibrantly clean. A space where every surface shines with health. With our power washing and steam cleaning, we compose a symphony of cleanliness that resonates through every part of your facility. Tackling the toughest grime on machinery, floors, and external walls, we ensure your space isn't just functionally efficient, it's a beacon of hygiene and appeal. The essence of true cleanliness is about more than just being visually appealing. It's a fundamental aspect of safety, efficiency, and overall well-being. With our comprehensive cleaning services, your space is elevated to a new standard of excellence. Imagine a workplace that's not merely clean, but is a paragon of hygiene and efficiency. Are you ready to elevate your environment? Embrace excellence. Like this video and join us in transforming Northeast industrial cleanliness standards. For a free no-obligation quote, call 0191 731 8555 or visit us at quidoscleaning.com. Together, let's make your industrial space a testament to unparalleled hygiene and efficiency.